Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today we're going to take a look at something brand new, special, and never seen before in the Monster Jam community, which is the brand new Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Iron Spider. Well, welcome back everyone. Today something crazy happened when I received my package from eBay. So basically you guys may know or may not know about the brand new Red Hulk, which looks just like this, by the way. This is what the regular Hulk looks like. There's a red version of this Hulk, and no one really knows what's going on with it or what it is. It could be possibly a chase piece by Hot Wheels. We don't know because it's not numbered. As you can see here, my Iron Spider is also not numbered, and I was told by Driver's Ed in his video, he said that the Red Hulk came from Target. So I'm assuming either it's a chase piece or a Target exclusive case, but Red Hulk was currently the only other design of a superhero recolor that we know of. So basically I wanted to buy that Red Hulk because I haven't found it, and there was no other sellers selling it on eBay. So basically I went ahead and bought it. It was 20 bucks. It came with a regular Hulk and of course Red Hulk. But when I opened my package about 10 minutes ago, I was very surprised to find not Red Hulk, but what I believed was this original Spider-Man design. So basically what I saw was the back part. I saw this spoiler of Spider-Man when I was unboxing it, and I was like, dang it, I just got, basically a wrong truck from the seller. Maybe he, was scamming me. But then I realized that's not Spider-Man. That's actually Iron Spider from the Avengers series. So Avengers Infinity War, you guys probably remember, if you guys watched it, he becomes the Iron Spider. And this is a Hot Wheels car they have released before, I believe. I'm almost certain they have, because they did an Infinity War series. So basically, it's just this Spider-Man from, I believe, case... I think this is case K or case J. I don't remember, but this is the four-wheel hive case as I showed on screen right here. So you can see here, it came with normal Spider-Man, four-wheel hive, Leopard Shark, Mega-Rex, Motosaurus, Podium Crasher, and Hot Wheels Racing 3. This is the four-wheel hive, by the way. And I just did a review video on that. I haven't uploaded yet because this is kind of new and I want to do it first. So this is the case that Iron Spider came with. And you can see here, Iron Spider instead of Spider-Man, and the same other 6 trucks. Basically, yeah, this is something that I didn't know was coming. It replaced Red Hulk in my package. In a way, it's great, but also I really wanted to get Red Hulk before they sold out or I can't find them. So hopefully I'll be able to find Red Hulk at Target now that I know it's going to be there. But I don't know if it's a chase piece or not, so that might be the problem. But anyway, Iron Spider, we're going to unbox this thing because it's really cool. I just can't get over how crazy that is. I just did not know that this was coming. So there it is, Iron Spider. Also, I received this regular Hulk, which is the international version. You can see here, it doesn't say giant wheels, and it has a bunch of languages on here. So this is the regular Hulk. I already did a review on that, which I should be uploading soon when I finish that video. But here it is right here. I'm not going to review this right now because I was actually going to review Red Hulk, but we will review that in the future. For now, we're going to unbox the Iron Spider. Before I do that, here are the stats for Iron Spider. Let's get up close for this because there's actually something I want to show you. You can see here the name is Iron Spider, the truck type is character, the strength is Stark Tech Armor, the crash tag is High Tech Hit, and the motivation is to be unstoppable. And you can see here, they're as seen in Avengers Infinity War, and they have the Endgame logo right there. Iron Spider, of course, that's the suit he's wearing. You can see the gold and the dark kind of gray blue. And there's the rendering of the truck. And of course, there's the render of the truck right there on the side. So this is crazy. I just can't believe it. So let's unbox this thing and check it out in close detail. So here it is, the Iron Spider, the brand new Hot Wheels monster truck. Unexpected. I had no idea this was coming. Really shocking, actually. I can't get over it. So here it is, Iron Spider's logo. Again, unnumbered. We don't know what this is. It could be a chase piece. It could be a Target exclusive case. I have no idea. You can see here giant wheels. And here is Iron Spider. So basically, it's just the same truck. You can see right there. Same truck with different colors. So what they've changed is this inner piece here, the blue, usually the pants for the Spider-Man kind of part right here, has been changed to a dark gray charcoal color. And then the trim across the truck is basically the new pants color that Spider-Man has in the movie. So the iron pants part you can see here is in dark gray paint, almost blue gray, but it's a little bit of dark painted gray. And then the front here, of course, changed to charcoal gray. You can see there. And of course the hood and all of this top part here on the roof has been changed to the maroon color that he has in the movie with some gold trim across it. with the spider also outlined in gold, and it has been sized up way more than previously. So you can see the spider comparison sizes. And then the back has also been sized up with the spider, kind of a new emblem for his new suit, and a darker maroon insert for the spoiler. It also has a dark maroon glittery roll cage, so you can see their metallic glittery roll cage with gold beadlocks and a black rim, compared to the black rim with red beadlock and black roll cage from the previous Spider-Man release. And basically that's the comparison. There's not much changed about it, but it is a very interesting thing that just happened here. And I could not be more excited to receive something new from Hot Wheels because I have not been able to find many new things from them. So it's very cool. I actually really like this design because I love Iron Spider in the movies. So there it is. I'm sure this is going to be coming out to stores soon, but I just got really lucky and received this in the mail. Again, I thought it was this and I was really disappointed for a little bit there, but then I realized it's not actually that. So Iron Spider, the mysterious brand new Hot Wheels monster truck. I also have the rest of that case, by the way, which included, and I will upload the review video on them, the 4-Wheel Hive, Motosaurus, Hot Wheels Racing number 3, Podium Crasher, Megarex, and Leopard Shark. So those were all inside of this case with it, and we will take a look at that original case with the original Spider-Man, which I did do a review on already, in a couple days or so. I will upload this eventually. I'm going to kind of split them up with Spin Master videos and then Hot Wheels, and this one's going to be first out because this is just crazy. So there it is, the brand new Iron Spider for 2019 Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Mysterious. I have no idea what it's going to be doing in the line or not. Chase piece, Target exclusive, Walmart exclusive, no idea. But it showed up today on my doorstep, and I could not be happier. So let me know what you guys think about this truck in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan on Monster Jam OCD, signing out.